everyone, this is Natural Vibes, where we look for ways to raise your vibrations naturally. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the benefits of garlic, the health benefits of garlic. So I've been using garlic for all my life now. My parents have sweared by it from day one. So it's been something that I've been using for quite some time. And I see a lot of health benefits to it. As a child growing up, if you had a cold, if you had a stuffy nose, garlic tea was the perfect remedy for any type of a cold or flu. So this is something that I'm well versed in, all the health benefits of garlic. Okay, but did you also know garlic? It's been around for about 7,000 years now. It's been used for medicine for quite some time. Garlic is great for combating any type of heart disease and diabetes. It's also great for fighting cancer, controlling your blood sugar level. If you have any type of a cold or infection, it is very good for that as well. I actually did a recent video on where I combine garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar, and it has done so many wonderful things for my body as well as my family that we've been using it since we've been using it that way. If you want, check that video out. I'll probably post a link above on that. It's also great. I've never tried it this way topically. If you're having any type of dermatitis issues, you can apply it topically that way. It also, like I mentioned before, treats diabetes. Garlic helps to regulate your blood sugar levels, which it helps in your diabetes issues that you may be having. So recently, I actually looked into using garlic in your ear to fight an ear infection. I've tried it for myself, and I actually I enjoyed it. Didn't really have an ear infection at the time, so I didn't notice any potential health benefits for that. However, over a holiday weekend, my son actually was complaining about having an earache. So what I did, I actually gave him the garlic in his ear. Now, I did that for quite some time, for about an hour or two, after which he did not have any other issues. He didn't complain about an earache. He felt perfectly fine. Was that a fluke thing? Who knows? However, I did follow up because it was a holiday, so the doctor's office wasn't open at the time, so my only option would be taking him to the emergency room, which I wouldn't have a problem with if he was still feeling ill. Actually, I took him to the doctor's shortly after that, and the doctor was able to diagnose him, and he said he did have an ear infection, but it had already, he can see that there was an ear infection, but it was already in the process of getting better, and it wouldn't have made any sense to give him any antibiotics at the time. So I can attest that this process of sticking the garlic in your ear, if you have to treat an ear infection, that is effective. Okay, would I have done it if that scenario didn't exist? Probably not. And if I knew for sure that he did have an ear infection, I would have taken him to the doctor's or the emergency room or something. Just trying to be honest here, but just to let you know, it was effective. It was a success. And what I typically do when I make my garlic tea is I use about 4 cloves of garlic, and I crush it, and then I bring it to put spring water in a container, bring it to a boil, and actually boil the garlic, and I'll let it steep for a little while, and then after that the tea is ready. Okay, so actually there are, if you don't feel like going through the whole process of using fresh organic garlic, you can also, just purchase, garlic tea. They make pretty good ones online, or in your local grocery store, organic store, health food store, whatever. Sometimes they'll have it in the grocery store. Just the tea bags with garlic tea. But there are so many health benefits. Did I mention it's great for treating cancer, diabetes, just helping out. I've also heard that it helps reverse hair loss. I've never used it as such. If you apply it topically as a garlic gel, it should reverse hair loss in about 3 months. I cannot attest to this, so that to me right now is just speculation. I am very adamant about whatever I am producing, making sure that I'm trying this out, because I notice sometimes there are people that just say, oh, use this because it has these health benefits, but they themselves have never experienced it. And I also know that everyone is different, okay? So what has worked for me may simply not work the same way for the next person. I'm well aware of that, okay, because I've experienced that quite a bit. Someone will tell me, they'll swear by something, they'll tell me, oh yeah, try this, it's awesome, it's amazing, try it. And I try it, I'm like, oh, it's all right. So everyone's body is different. We're all, you may be lacking something that the next person may not be lacking, or so for some reason that herb may be more effective to one person versus the other. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention to you before I go off on my little tangent is growing garlic. It is so easy, so effective, a great way to know that you have organic, no chemical added garlic, okay? Simply get garlic from a store or wherever you typically get it, your organic garlic, and you just have to have like one clove of it. And what typically happens, because sometimes I don't realize it, that I've had the garlic for a little bit too long, it'll start growing like a little stem already. So there you go. You just plant that, or stick it in water and let it continue doing what it's doing, and then you have fresh garlic. You don't even have to purchase it at the store. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys for today. Thank you for tuning in for my video. I hope you enjoyed that in some way. If you did, please thumbs it up and check out my channel. Check out more videos. If you like videos such as that one, please subscribe to my channel. If you have had any experiences tuning in for my video, I hope you enjoyed that in some way. If you did, please thumbs it up and check out my channel. Check out more videos. If you like videos such as that one, please subscribe to my channel. If you have had any experiences with garlic that you found to be effective or beneficial, or you just can't stand the taste of it, please leave me a message below. Let me know. I enjoy hearing other people's feedbacks as well. Thank you for tuning in my video. Thank you and have a great day.